Hi everyone, I'd like to welcome you all to my channel. My name is Maru. Long time no see. If you're new and you're seeing my face for the first time, welcome to my channel, guys. And if you're a returning subscriber, hi, long time no see. I missed you guys so much. If you see me disappearing, just know that something has happened, okay? But I'm sorting things out right now. I am feeling much better, and things just happened all of a sudden, but all is well. Anyway, so I just wanted to share with you guys my favorite breakfast meal prep for this week. I have started meal prepping different meals for my breakfast, and I have decided that, oh, I'm going to choose this particular meal and then have that particular meal throughout the week, and then change it at the end of the week to something else, and then have that meal for the entire week. That has helped me so much because sometimes, you know, we run out of time, and if you don't have anything ready in your fridge, it's easy for you to pick up something that's not right. So I'm going to be sharing with you this wonderful breakfast that I am enjoying these days, and let's get into it. Literally can't do this wrong. All you need is like a big bowl. This is what I'm going to be using. These are my absolute favorite. You guys know these. These are chia seeds, and I'm going to be showing you a different way to have chia seeds. So the last time I showed you guys chia seeds, I just showed you like a plain recipe that I use, but now I'm just going to show you a different kind of recipe and how you can make it a little bit prettier. You know, if you open the fridge and you see something pretty, you're like, I want to eat that. So yes, let's get into it. What you're going to need for this is, of course, storage containers. I have these glass containers that I got. Yeah, so I'm probably not gonna fill them up, but I am just going to measure according to how much I want to eat. You're gonna need some almond milk, of course. Almond milk. This is unsweetened almond milk. You can make your own. You can use a different kind of milk. It does not matter. And I'm gonna be using blueberries today and some strawberries. And you're gonna need a bowl, of course, some vanilla, and some of your mixing equipment, okay? Measuring and mixing equipment. So let's get into it. In your bowl of choice, mix in the desired amount of chia seeds that you would like. You can mix in 8 spoons. For my containers, about 8 to 10 spoons will do. Mix in some milk, and I added some vanilla extract today. Make sure that you mix the chia seeds with the milk so that everything is incorporated, so that they also don't get lumpy. Now that you've mixed all your chia seeds in your bowl, whatever bowl you're using, just place this nicely in the fridge. Put it there for about 15 minutes, then we're going to stir it up again, and then we are going to put them in our containers. While we wait for the chia seeds to expand, I prepared this blueberry sauce before we began this video. It was very simple and easy to make, and I'm going to use this for one of the flavors. And I'm also going to use strawberries for the other one. So let's prep the strawberries while we wait. And how are you guys doing? Let me know down in the comment section. I haven't spoken to you guys for a very long time. Is everyone okay? Did everyone enter into 2023? Did you have a great time entering into 2023, and how's it going so far? If you're still here and you're enjoying the video, please make sure to give it a thumbs up and leave a comment down below. Just gonna dice up these strawberries and make them really small. So, what are your fitness goals for 2023? You know, last year I did not make any New Year's resolutions because I believe that we just make them and then we kind of just break them along the way. But yeah, I think it's time for just a continuation of whatever it is that I've been doing for me personally, but doing it better. Okay, and realizing that this is a lifestyle change. When you restrict yourself from something, or when you do something too much, then it does not, you know, positively affect your body. So for me, it's taking things slowly, doing the best that I can, making sure that I work out at least 3-4 times a week, eating right consistently, because if you don't eat right, honestly, you're not gonna achieve anything. Food is the main problem. So I have been inspired by so many people. I've been watching so much and reading so much about food, and I am, wow, I am amazed. I'm surprised about the little changes that you can make that will make you feel better. So I hope that this inspires somebody to choose healthier choices. This inspires somebody to get up and actually move. But ultimately, thank you guys so much for your support throughout this journey. I am going to get to my goals. Hopefully no more hurdles in the way and just winning from here on. So let's check those chia seeds now. Alright guys, so I just got chia seeds from the fridge, and it's just been a few minutes. Can you see? They are already thick. So just mix it up like so that it does not lump up. And now it's time for us to put it in the bowls. I'm gonna be having these I'm gonna meal prep for 4 days, 1, 2, 3, 4. And then on the 5th day, I'll probably just make a quick one, but because it's quick to make. So let's put this in the bowls. And the other reason is because I only have 4 of these. So let's do it. So the first flavor that I'm going to be making is the strawberries. I'm going to make 2 strawberries and 2 blueberries. So I'm just going to let's see if it will be enough. Should be enough. Teaspoons. The whole jar is probably not going to fill up, but it's all good. Then grab some of your strawberries. Let's see if you can move this. You guys can see. Okay, I think you can see. Grab some of your strawberries and throw them in there. It's already looking so pretty. So, just like that. Okay. Once that is in there, I'm gonna put 1 more spoon on the top, just like that. This is what it looks like. Then you're gonna top it off with more strawberries. I had to chop up a few more strawberries. I'm probably gonna add some banana to this later on, but just for the sake of this video, there, that's it. Let me add these. Just like that. Now, there. Your strawberry chia seed pudding is done. It's so easy and it's really, really delicious, and it looks pretty as well. So all you have to do now is just cover these up in an airtight container and put them in the fridge. Okay, let's move on to our next one. I've already scooped in the first set of chia seeds. Then all you're gonna do is take your blueberry sauce. You guys actually see, let's see. Take your blueberry sauce and put it in there. After adding some of your blueberry sauce, for this one, I'm going to add some yogurt, guys. I forgot to mention this earlier. This is regular, just plain yogurt. Plain yogurt. Is that what's written? Yes, plain. Probably need another one. I think that should be enough. As you have to just make it the way that you want to make it. I'm just eyeballing this, and it's not necessarily like perfect to a T, but I'm just putting in whatever I feel like I want to add. There. Oh, this one even looks prettier than the strawberry one. Let's add a little bit more. A little bit more here. And then let's top it up with the rest of the blueberry sauce. Guys, this is basically just fruit and a superfood. Nothing complicated to it. Very easy and simple to make. And guys, look at how beautiful this looks. This looks absolutely amazing. Guys, you have to give this a try. These are really, really good. So put the covers on and then they're ready for the fridge. So guys, yeah, that's it. I actually had a little bit left. I used the remainder of the chia seeds and the blueberries, and I just put it in this container. I could probably use this as a snack, or you know, if I'm feeling a little bit hungry, then I just grab this. So that's it, guys. Look at these beautiful things. This is a very healthy breakfast that you could have on the go. You just pick it up and go, and it just takes a few minutes to prep. So I hope this inspires you and encourages you to just give it a try. They're really, really delicious. You can add sweetener if you want to. I did not, because I don't like adding anything extra. Strawberries are really sweet, and then the plain yogurt is a little bit sweet, so it balances things out a little bit. So that's it, guys. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I really appreciate you. If you're still watching, make sure that you hit that subscribe button, make sure that you hit that like button, and I'll see you again in the next video. Thank you. Goodbye.